Welcome everyone. Once upon a time, there was a king whose only son got critically ill. The doctors advised him that the treatment of the son is only available in the soup of a special bird who flies just one time in a year. Although the bird flies very high, but his weakness is greenery. So if he comes down, we can catch him. King instantly ordered to develop a valley full of greenery, plants and trees. On the designated day, the bird started his journey, and soon he found some falcons going in the same direction. He joined them. Once they reached the valley, the bird expressed his desire to take some rest, but the falcons refused and said, "Let's continue flying and reach our destination." So the hunters kept waiting, but the bird did not come down. Next year, the bird started his journey again, but this time, instead of falcons, he found some crows going in the same direction. So he joined them. Once they reached the valley, this time the crows expressed their desire to take some rest. So the bird happily agreed. They all came down where the hunters were ready. They were caught. The crows were killed instantly, and the bird was taken alive to the king, who asked one last question from the bird before killing him, that how you are caught this time. And the bird replied, "His Excellency, last year I was flying with the falcons. They reached their destination, and in their company I also reached my destination. But this year I was flying with the crows. Not only they killed themselves, but killed me as well. So it doesn't matter. You are a team leader, you are running your own business, or you are heading an organization. Please try to keep quality people in your company and in your team. Only then you can be able to successfully achieve your destination." Thank you.